everyone, today I'm going to share how to overcome fear of failure. See, we all have different fears, and many people I see they have fear of failure. So if you have failed at something before, then you might have fear of failure, or even if you have not failed, right, then also you might have fear of failure. First we need to look at why you have this fear of failure. So maybe somebody made fun of you in your childhood, right, or whenever you tried something new, something exciting, then somebody might had laugh at you, or somebody might have said something that you are not good at dash dash dash, right? And so that thing actually gone into your subconscious mind, and you started thinking about it, that's like you are not good at that thing. But what I want to say is that sometimes people project their own insecurities as well. So that's why you should not care about others. Second thing is that you should always take advice from right people, not from people who get jealous from you or who don't believe in themselves. So the person who don't believe in himself or herself will ever not give you right advice. So if they have some kind of fear, or if they are not going to if they are not good at some business, they are going to give you, of course, advice according to them, right? So maybe, like, suppose you want to be top actor, right? So if you are going to take advice from a friend like who don't know anything about acting, and neither he is positive person, right? So he might go ahead and give you wrong advice as well, because he might think that he cannot be an actor. So he might go ahead and try to drag you down, that, you know, or he might say that is very, very difficult, like he might say anything negative, right? So because he don't believe that he can go ahead and do that thing, so he will go ahead and tell you the same thing to you as well, right? And so, like, same thing with the marriage as well, or with the relationship as well. Suppose you might like XYZ kind of girl. So if you take advice from a wrong friend, they might go ahead and misinform you, right? So if your friend don't have a confidence, or if he don't believe in himself, right, so then he might give advice according to his thinking, right, or his level, right? So we all are different, and we all have different standards in life, and we all have different dreams in our life. That's why I think you should always follow your gut. In case you believe in taking someone's advice, then take advice from a right person who has done that thing, and who you think has good intentions for you, right? So not everyone in your life have good intention for you, and not everyone want you to succeed. That's also I have learned in my life, because sometimes some people are jealous as well, and they might give you wrong advice as well. So this I have learned in my journey. Also I observe other people as well. So yeah, not everyone is going to give you right advice as well. So that's how you can go ahead and overcome fear of failure, by taking action. So whatever business idea you have, stop overthinking about it and take action on that thing. You can take small action. I'm not saying that you invest 100 crore in your first business. So do testing on small scale, see if it's working for you or not, and then you can go ahead and start on a bigger scale, right? So that's what you can do. But yeah, do take action, like whatever you want to start. Like it could be any business, right? Maybe you want to start any business. I don't want to say anything. We all have different ideas and different dreams. So whatever idea you have, take action on that idea, and stop overthinking about it, and stop listening to other people insecurities and projections, and follow your own soul, or follow your own gut, okay? And by any chance, if you believe in taking advice, take advice from expert or professionals, or who have right intentions for you, or good intentions for you. Best of luck for your week, everyone. Also for one-on-one coaching, you guys can DM me. All right, bye bye, take care, guys.